Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on iPhone. So guys, if you want to turn off restricted mode on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, as you can see this, if I am trying to sign out my Apple ID from my device, it says sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, here you can see this. And if you're also unable to do certain tasks on your Apple device due to restrictions, here I will show you how can you turn it off. So guys, this is very basic and simple. All you have to do is that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device. And once you are here, you have to simply scroll it below and go to screen time. So guys, now you have to simply scroll it below again and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to simply turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions. So guys, simply turn it off and enter your screen time passcode. And now you have to simply go back again and now open settings again, go to your profile, and from here try to sign out your Apple ID again. And as you can see this, it is still not available to sign out to your Apple ID. So guys, you can see this. Now you have to simply go back again and then go to screen time, scroll it below and tap on change screen time passcode, tap on turn off screen time passcode, enter the passcode, and now you have to again go back and go to your profile. And now here you can see this sign out is right now available. So guys, simply tap on this and now you can easily sign out your Apple ID from here. So guys, there are no more restrictions on your Apple device in this way if you turn off the restriction on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.